Alright. Hey guys, it's me, Purple Dragon here, and today we are playing a horror game called The Hatman. Ooh, spooky.
I'm the Hatman.
Yeah, anyways, this is just a tall shadow with a hat.
Okay,
That looks like Ginu from K-pop Demon Hunters.
Okay, so it turns out that Purple Dragon actually played this before, the first part.
It's just, I only played a little bit of the beginning half, so we're fine. Come over here. Alright, follow me. We're going inside.
I like how whenever you do like sharp turns, your character like turns.
Hi.
Okay, over here.
Oh yeah.
You actually saw it.
So this is like a 4-player game too. It's cool.
Come on.
Is my graphics all the way up? Wait.
Mine might be.
Let me turn it down. Oh, never mind. It's already all the way down. Alright, good. Because we don't want it all the way up or else my game will crash. The Hatman. Oh. Yay, it's finished. Ooh la la, we're on an airplane.
Oh my gosh. I should probably take a seat.
Come sit with me.
Fine. I can't.
Aw.
You take up the whole row. Wow. You're so fast.
I don't know why. Okay. The Hatman.
Ooh, I got chips.
You have chips?
Yeah, you don't have chips, I do.
I want chips.
Anyways,
how are you?
Screen looks so dirty.
Oh, hey there, 6'7" foot man. What the flick? Okay. Oh crap. Huh? What? No. Stop. Help.
What happened?
Oxygen. Our oxygen depleted, I think.
I like depleted.
And then we passed out. What just happened? Okay, I haven't played this part before. Holy. This isn't the plane.
It could be.
I should check the notice board and see if it can help me.
I have to enter.
I wonder which house the code is in. What? I have to enter the code at that gate.
What's the code?
I don't know. Which house?
Is it,
Should we check the houses?
The THVs.
I have no idea what's going on.
This is version 1.1, so yeah. Oh, thunder. Just kidding, that was a treat.
How dare you?
I skipped you.
What an odd place. What did you find?
You can sprint.
Wait,
Oh,
is it that highlighted house that we need to go to?
I bet.
Am I dreaming?
Yeah.
Wait, this is the house. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I found the house.
Wait, did we both go in different
The
houses?
Hatman. No, I think. Oh my gosh, bro. What the flick? There was like this one dude that jump scared me a little bit.
We went in different places.
What the freak? What is in this house, mate?
I just got the jump scare.
You got jump scared too? I think we're in different houses.
Yep, we are.
Oh.
There's nothing in this house.
Well, okay. I'm gonna find the code.
Oh, wait, this is where we find the code?
Yeah, we need to find a code. Oh, hey there, lady. Do you mind if I join you over there in that corner? I'm just kidding.
Wait.
There's a tall ghost that's a lady that was in the corner.
I like ghosts. I can't see it.
Okay, bet the code is in here.
I can't interact with anything in here.
What? Wait, what's the code? I can't see anything that makes sense.
Haha, probably because you have low graphics. Can I leave?
No, it's not because I have low graphics. It's because my freaking brightness is down. What the flick is in that closet?
Me.
It looked like the closet wanted to kiss me for a little bit. I don't know.
What is wrong with you?
There were lips inside of it. I was like, ugh.
Oh,
Why are there lips in there?
I just got eaten.
Holy crap, the Hatman! I found him.
Are you
I found the
outside?
Hatman. He's He's chasing me. The Hatman's chasing me. I need to get in.
I died by it.
Can he get you in the house?
No, but I died by it.
Holy crap. You did? Oh, did you revive? Oh, it's 4633.
Wait, I think I'm in
The
your
code
house.
is 4633.
What the frick? Okay, where's the gate?
I think we need to find it. It has to be somewhere. Where is it?
4633?
Where am I? 4633.
Where
Where's-
are you?
I'm trying to find the gate right now.
4633?
Oh my gosh. Okay. My keyboard's being stupid to me.
The Hatman is angry.
I think it's around the outside edges. I'm gonna follow these, gates.
I stopped sprinting and my screen went dark and I was so scared.
Oh no.
Give me that.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh.
Why is it so freaking dark over there?
I'm gonna sprint for my life.
I think I found it.
You found the gate?
4633, is that the code?
Yeah, 4633.
I also found the Hatman.
Oh, I found the
That's
gate.
That's just a tree. I found you!
Hi.
Hi. 4633?
Yeah, it's 4633. Hurry before the Hatman comes. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, you can't jump. I hate horror games where you can't jump.
I know, right? Oh my gosh. The Hatman. Oh my gosh. This is so spooky. I love it. Love spookiness.
I
It
died
controls
3
us.
times by the Hatman.
It's controlling us. It's the Hatman. Run! Oh, I hate these chase scenes.
You can't see me because of your stupid wings.
Okay, go, go, go!
Just taking a lot of turns.
Oh my gosh.
You freaking tricked me.
What the flick?
Now
There was a
I'm
rock.
so behind you.
I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. Holy crap, bro. This chase scene is so long. I've never had a chase scene.
Why is this so freaking
I've
long?
never played a horror game with a chase scene this long before.
I've never played a horror game with the chase scene.
Oh my gosh, bro. You haven't?
No,
I thought you did.
I don't think so.
That's weird.
This is long.
Wait, what? Oh, holy crap, go, go, go. Man, this is tricky.
I'm so far behind you.
What the, okay. Oh my gosh. I'm running for my life.
I can't see anything because of your stupid wings.
What the freak is going on?
That's me.
Those are bats. What the flick? Why are there bats here? It's dark. Stop whispering.
Yeah.
Make it
Yeah,
stop.
Purple Dragon.
Stop. Stop.
Did you fall down a hole?
I think we did.
Yeah.
We both did.
I freaking got stuck because you trapped me. Oh, hi.
Ouch, my legs.
Oh yeah, we did fall down.
I will have to take it easy for a while.
No, I can't sprint. Wait, we can crouch.
We can't sprint. What?
I can crouch.
But we can crouch. How do you crouch?
It's control.
Oh,
Did you die?
yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, I'll just wait in this little hobbit.
Okay, this is strangely almost like K-pop Demon Hunters, but like a horror game. This makes no sense. How do you crouch?
Control.
Oh. Wait, I think you need to hold it down. Okay. What's that?
Hey, get out of the way so I can interact.
Sorry, my keyboard is being mean. Let me go.
It just says dot.
This game. Okay. I gotta stop pressing Windows. Oh my gosh.
Even the cloud, I don't know.
How to believe No!
You died again.
Ugh! I hate the stupid lady. Whoever she is.
Flick, I went out right after you.
Flick this. What?
I went out right after you, but I didn't die.
Oh.
Give me the throne.
I'm so happy that you can actually like revive or something, like come back. So we don't have to end the video so short. No, no. How dare you? Okay.
Ooh, I went out right after you. Wait.
Okay. What the flick? You cannot sprint.
I have a
Hi.
lantern.
You have a lantern?
Yeah.
What? No way. Okay, I'm like putting my thumb on control.
Same.
Like holding it there.
Ready?
Go.
Oh no, my lantern.
Should we go back in or is it safe?
It's safe.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. It's not safe.
No! Oh my gosh. The lady. Okay, I gotta get out. I gotta get out. I gotta get out.
Hi. I died again.
You died again?
Wow. This
Aw.
is so helpful.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for the lady to pass, I think.
Where is the first house?
Oh, lady, what are you? Ah, I see you.
Hut, you let. Oh.
Holy
Won't
crap.
you let me go?
Broski, she almost got me.
I just read the painting. It said, "Won't you let
Ah,
me go?"
no! Freak you. Freak that
I'm in
lady.
the second hole. Ha! You might have to cut this part out of the video. It's gonna take so long.
Yeah.
Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe. I was a critic that I meant to be a lead to the lies. I got played both sides. Now I could find my place. Girl, you're not even hiding anymore. No more hiding.
No more hiding. I feel in the K-pop Demon Hunter mode now. In the zone. I'm feeling in the zone. I'm so golden. Woohoo! Holy crap. Go, 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 go. Run, 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 run.
Why are you leaving me behind?
I'm sorry.
I died again. No more hiding. No.
Come on, lady. Pass me by. I dare you. Come on and eat me. I know you want to. Come on. Come get me. Ha 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 ha. I cannot. Oh. No! She got me. How?
I was literally walking the whole time.
Bro, I'm actually so upset with her. Alright, we're breaking up.
Oh my gosh, you were dating her?
We're breaking up.
Okay, if you push F, then you can.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
I need to like settle down.
What in the flick?
I need to settle down so that my trauma doesn't continue.
You need to what?
Settle down for a sec.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, everybody.
Okay, I think we're good.
Go, 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 go. She's coming. She's coming. She almost got me. Holy crap.
Oh my flick. Oh my. Ooh, she's not even flying. She's walking. That's weird.
She is walking, mate. She's an actual person, but with black eyes. I don't know how you got your black eyes. Is it because someone punched you or something?
So close.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Okay, I think you gotta crouch while you're walking so that she doesn't see you if you're walking behind her.
Hi.
Hi.
Wait, I gotta equip my lantern.
Wait,
Wait.
where is she? Where is she? Okay, she's walking that way. Oh my gosh, how long is this hallway?
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, I'm just. Can you hear her?
Oh, I hear her. Okay, she's gone. She's gone. Go, go, go.
Oh, she's right
I think I'm gonna skip. Go, go, go. Oh my gosh, I see the door. I see the door. It's so close. Oh my gosh. Hold me, mama. Hold me. No.
I might have died again.
Chicken Nugget.
My 5th time. I wish we could sprint.
Me too.
I'm just saying. Yeah, you're definitely gonna have
Where's
to
that lady? Where's that lady?
Where's that lady?
Where's that lady?
If you push F, then you click on the lantern, then you push equip, then you can equip the lantern.
Cool. Oh, this hurts to... Oh my gosh. My fingers are in such weird positions because I have to press... I have to hold down the control key and then move at the same time. It hurts so bad, bro. Go, go, go.
Frick, she saw me. I didn't die yet. I'm just gonna wait here until all the trauma passes me.
Passes me.
I feel so like unsafe not being able to see her.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
She's behind me.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay back here. just in case.
Wait, you should go.
Where are we going?
Oh, never mind. Don't go. Don't go. She's right there.
I know.
I'm gonna wait until she passes me that way, and then I'm gonna wait a while, and then I'm gonna go.
Ow.
So,
Okay, I need to rest my hands, guys.
yeah, just like pop it. Just like pop it.
I cannot pop my fingers.
I play the flute, so my fingers hurt. So I always have to pop it.
I can never pop my fingers, guys.
Go
That is like not me.
Go like this.
That hurts though. I hate that.
Okay, well that's how I popped my fingers. Actually, no, I just pushed.
Okay, I think she's gone. Oh, we're so close. No, don't go. Okay.
Oh.
No! Chicken Nugget!
You lied to me.
What?
I should have waited longer.
Okay, okay. I'm going.
Yeah. This isn't even scary.
Oh, yes!
It
I made it.
teleported me.
The
too.
Hatman. Yay, I'm so happy!
Now I don't have to do it. Oh, okay.
Where are we?
This looked like an elephant.
What?
When it was white. I'm turning it.
Spin the wheel 6 times. Dump the sand. And then enter through a door.
So we spin this wheel 6 times.
Yeah, spin it 6 times.
Okay. I can't.
Oh, you can't?
I can't.
Oh, wait, maybe there's more wheels we need to spin.
I'll spin 6 wheels.
Yeah. Oh, no, what if something chases after us while we do it?
At least you can sprint now.
Wait.
I found one.
Oh, good job. So, how are we supposed to get away from the... Oh, do we just run or something?
Yeah, you can sprint now.
Okay, good. You found another wheel?
Yes.
Good. Oh wait, I think it's these things that like pour the things out for us. Do you know what the creature is yet?
The creature? No.
Oh.
I found the creature. But I found out we can sprint with it. Enter. I can go into a place. Oh no, I'm scared.
Wait, what?
What the frick? I need the lantern for this. Oh, is this where one of the
What are you
bombs
doing? Oh, what in the world?
This is scaring me. I hate basements. I'm getting out.
You do?
Bye bye. Yeah, that did not make me feel safe at all.
Wait. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I'm out too.
Now I can't see it. Oh no.
Wait. So, weren't we supposed to spin all the wheels though?
Yeah, and I found one.
You found one.
I found two actually.
There's more basements. Maybe there's wheels in the basements.
No.
There must be, right?
Oh my gosh. Do you like still not know how to equip a lantern?
No. What? It got darker. Can I spin this? No. Oh wait, the water. It's flowing. Wait.
I found 3.
Oh, it's. Oh. Never mind.
Hi. Oh yeah, I did that one too.
Wait, where are the other wheels?
You just have to walk around and find them. That's what I can do.
How many did you find?
I found 3.
Oh.
Why did it just suddenly go dark?
Wait, you found 3 plus the one that we found?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
No?
No?
I just found 3.
Oh.
Or 2, I should say. Not plus.
Where's the wheel for this? Is it in there? I think it's in there.
I don't want to go in the basements. They creep me out.
It's okay. We can do it together.
Holy, I don't like that. This proves I'm afraid of the dark, guys. Or, am I not afraid of the dark? I'm afraid of the dark.
Okay, I found the wheel.
In the basement?
Yeah.
No.
Wait. How do I get back? Ah! It's so dark. Wait. I think it was... No, that's the wheel that I found. Wait, what? I think I'm trapped. No, wait. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not trapped. I'm so confused. Where do I go? Oh, there we go. There's the stairs.
I made a circle. I've made a circle. Okay, I'm going in the basement. This isn't nearly as scary as the other one I entered. I found another one.
Okay, I need to find the wheel for this one.
You scared me.
Oh,
I already did this one.
you already did that? Okay. Okie dokie.
Which one should we do now?
I
just escaped from you.
I say we'll do the one in the... Oh, you're gonna do that one. Okay.
Oh. Now that I know that there's nothing chasing us, I can just gladly go downstairs.
So, how many did we get? Because I got 1 plus the one that we got.
Okay, so we need 1 more.
1 more? Okay.
What the frick is coming out from under this door? I don't like it. So I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Bye-bye.
I can't see.
How come... I know. This game is like... It's like, oh, you want to see? Well, we'll make you...
I found the wheel for this basement. I think after this one, then it's all done.
Yep. Now where do we go?
I don't know. Okay, guys, we might have to make a part 2.
We have to go in this one.
Okay, Chicken Nugget.
No.
Come
up here. Come up here. And then
Chicken Nugget, be quiet.
No. Come up here.
Be quiet. I'm trying to speak to the people.
Come up here so that then we can end it.
Okay. Jeez. Trying. Okay. Okay, guys, so this has been a long part, so we're gonna have to make a part 2. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you all for the next part. And we'll see you, bye!